Welcome to Premier Mobility Cars. Here we have a 2013 on a 63 reg, wheelchair adapted Peugeot Partner Horizon with an allied conversion. It's a 5-seat vehicle with a fold flat ramp, so it can be used as a standard conventional vehicle as well as a wheelchair adapted car should the wheelchair space not be required. As you will see from this short video, the vehicle's in grade A condition, as is with all of our vehicles. 5-speed manual gearbox, lovely blue and grey trim interior, comes with all the extras that you need in a wheelchair vehicle: electric windows, air conditioning, power assisted steering. Great condition, direct from Motability, so we guarantee it's 15,500 miles, full main dealer's Peugeot service history. This is the tripod conversion, so it's got the 3 individual tip and fold seats at the back, so you just, that lever down there, just tip and fold out of the way, each individual seat, so you can, depending on the size of the wheelchair, seat up to 4 people plus the wheelchair passenger, but as said, that does depend on the size of the wheelchair. To assist with this, it's got the wider 33-inch wide floor, so you've got more opportunity to have it as a 4-seat plus wheelchair. If you can't do that, it will accommodate larger scooters and wheelchairs alike. The yellow webbing is the electric winch, so if you're lacking in upper body strength and you just need a little bit of assistance on getting the wheelchair passenger in, the winch is there for you, and then once the wheelchair's in, you've got, as standard, 4-point fixing for the wheelchair. So 2 manual belts at the back and then two electric belts at the front. Very easy to use. We can show you how to do that, no problems. We've got rear parking sensors as well as standard. If you are looking for wheelchair adapted Peugeot, whether you're a mobility user or a taxi driver, this vehicle will be suitable along with most of our other stock, in fact nearly all of our stock. You're more than welcome to pop around and view any of the vehicles either on our website, which is www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk. You can come and see us in person. We're at Cooling Road Service Station in Wainscott, ME2 4RL. We can supply all over the country, so it doesn't matter if you're near or far, even overseas. We've got many Irish customers, Maltese, Cypriots. So our client base is wide and far, so not need to worry. We can talk you through the process on how best to obtain a vehicle. We can help with delivery. Lots of services we offer as a specialist, and no need to worry about anything. We take everything into our hands, so you don't have to stress. If you want to discuss anything, this car or any of our other 25 WAVs, either visit the website, pop along and see us, or give us a call on 01634 716 911. Thanks for watching.